Hello students of class 5, welcome to the online session of Pad Bhavan. Today we are going to read an inspiring story of an Indian Army officer. Inspiring means Prerna-dayak. Name of the chapter is An Officer and a Gentleman. This story is about Colonel Vasant Venugopal, who was born on 25th March 1967. His father was Mr. N.K. Venugopal and mother was Prafulla. He was the younger of the two brothers. His notebooks were always filled with detailed drawings of battle tanks and uniformed soldiers. He loved reading war stories and was fascinated with armor tanks and weaponry. Fascinated means interested. Such was his reverence for the uniform that even as a child he never failed to salute a policeman or a guard on duty. Reverence means deep respect. Colonel Vasant joined Indian Military Academy in Dehradun in 1988. On 10th June, he was commissioned into Maratha Light Infantry. The Maratha Light Infantry is a light infantry regiment in the Indian Army. Vasant Venugopal was an Indian Army officer and a true soldier who laid down his life for our country. The motto of this brave soldier was, "I go where my men go." Whenever he found his troop in danger, he always led from the front. Colonel Vasant was a protector and creator and valued life in every form. This was evident from an incident that occurred in the mountains of Sikkim in the winter of 1993. During routine patrol, Vasant and his team spotted some movement in the undergrowth below a cliff. This patrol doesn't mean one which you use for vehicle to run, but it means to keep a watch over an area. They made their way carefully to the edge of the cliff, only to discover that it was a deer caught in a hunter's snare. Snare means a trap for catching animals or birds. None of the soldiers were ready to go down the steep slope to rescue the deer, but Vasant could not just walk away, and neither would he force his men to do what he himself was not prepared to do. So, he made his way down the precarious slippery slope, risking his life to set the animal free. Throughout his 18 years as an officer in the Indian Army, Colonel Vasant stood by his beliefs and instilled values in the men he commanded. On 31st July, his troops surrounded terrorists in a forest in the Uri sector in Kashmir. Again, the daring officer led from the front and helped gun down the terrorists. Tragically, he was hit by a bullet and he passed away at the hospital. Colonel Vasant was a true soldier who was dedicated to the country and his force. In honor of his sacrifice, the nation awarded him the Ashok Chakra, the highest gallantry award. Colonel Vasant was cremated with full military honor on 1st August 2007 in Bangalore.